2014 Hyundai Santa Fe cabin air filter replacement 101. Take this thing out of the box. Alright, so the cabin filter is located right behind your glove compartment. Okay, you pop it open by pushing the button. You're going to unscrew two of these items here counterclockwise on both sides. Let's start off with this one. You pop it out. So there you go. You pop this one out. Now it drops the door down a little further. Now you take this little lever here and you pop it out by squeezing these two, or just pop it out and it drops it like that. So now you have access to the door where the cabin filter is located. Okay, this little item right here. To open it, you're going to squeeze on these two things right here and you pull. And then this item is just going to come out. Pop it out. Boom, like that. Okay, this is your old filter and it's going to be nasty. It's going to be real nasty because we haven't replaced it in a long time. You're going to take it out carefully not to spill the dirt on your seats and all that. As you can tell, this filter is filthy, and that's the reason why your grandma or your mom in the back of the seat sneezing and coughing, because you're used to this, but they're not. They get in your car and they get to inhale all of this beauty. Okay, so to put the filter in, you're gonna take the brand new one. All right, and you're gonna slide it in nice and easy, not to bend the filter. Okay, should go in there easily, side by side. Okay, just push it in all the way until it fits snug. And you're going to take this item here, okay, and you're going to pop this in first, and then over here you're going to line it up and look for a click, and there it goes. Your door is closed. Now to get this back in, you're going to lift this, take this and pop it in. Oops, didn't work. You have to pull on it a little bit. And you pop it in. Yep, there you go. And then to put these items in, these things, you're going to lift the door slightly until you see it. You're going to pop it in. Let's see here. I've never done this before. There you go, right like that. Same thing with this one. I'm gonna lift it a little bit. Look for it to come in. A little bit of a struggle. There you go. And it's in. Oh, this will tune down. Lock the door, and you're done. Yep. Cabin filter 101, 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe.